Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to translate the website on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do here is just go open the website that you want to translate to. From here I would like to open these Google Chrome, and I already prepared to you guys the website that I would like to translate, which is the Small Business Trends. Here I would like to translate this website into from English into Indonesian. You can see here this language here that the website used here is English, and I would like to translate it into Indonesian. And the way we do that on the iPhone, you just need to go click these two small dots on this web page, and after that you just need to scrolling down into the options until you found a translate right here. You just need to click it to translate it, and after that, when this option is appear on your screen, click this settings, and after that you can just go click to change this, and you can find out which language that you want to translate to. For example, as I said, I would like to translate this website into the Indonesian, and after that just go click translate. And now you already have this website is translated into your screen. You can just check out, scrolling down, and now all of the web page here is already in Indonesian language. So that's the way how you translate or change the language on the web. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.